Good morning, everyone. Find comfortable position. Okay, so you can sit down on your heels. If you need to use a block, sit down on the block. Drop your shoulders, relax your face, close your eyes. And now just focus on your belly. And as you inhale, push your belly outside. And now exhale, move your belly in and slightly up under your ribs. And inhale, belly out. And now exhale, belly in under your ribs. One more time, and inhale, belly out. And then exhale, belly in. Okay, now your hands outside and inhale. And then exhale. From here now gently shift your weight forward. Lift your pelvis up. Extend your knees. Okay, and now plank, shift your weight on your hands. So gently warm up your shoulders. And then up. Warm up your back. And again, plank. Slowly up. Observe your body, observe your breath, and plank. And then up. Lift your right foot now. Open your hips. Good. Then step forward. Keep your right foot in front. And then circle with your right hand. Drop your left knee down. Okay, and now gently arch your back. Open the chest. Okay, do your best. Don't rush, don't push too much. Gently warm up. Listen to your body. Good, okay, and now release, hands down. Step backward. And now plank. Chaturanga. Chest up. Again, gently arch. Lift your pelvis again. Take your time. And now plank. Up. Inhale. And plank. Up. Inhale. And plank. Up. Inhale. Lift your left foot up now. Open your hips. And then step forward. Keep your left foot in front. Circle with your left hand. Right knee down. And now open the chest. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Okay, hands down on the floor. And now step backward. Plank, chaturanga, slide. And now up dog. Open the chest. Look up. Lift your pelvis. Now bend your knees. Look forward between your hands. And then jump or 2 steps. Feet down. Relax your back. Relax your neck. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Good. Then gently arch and look up, face up. Hands down. Take your feet with the pod. Toes out, heels in. Bend your knees. Connect your hands in front. Gently move down, backward. Extend your knees. Hands over the head. Now flex your feet and then lift your head and your shoulders up. Lift your feet up, Ardha Navasana. Now from here, try to bring it high. So in here, work with your shoulders. So lift and find the balance. Hands in front. Great, hold it. Bend your knees. If you need, you can prepare your blocks. Place your hands on the blocks. And now here, push and move your feet backward. Okay, take your time. Don't rush. And now, pelvis up. Plank. Chaturanga. And open the chest. Now from here, move down. Connect your hands behind. Extend your elbows. Lift your head, lift your feet. Look forward. If you can, grab your ankles or your feet. And then move up. Open the chest. Good. And then release, hands under your shoulders. Slowly, gently grow up. First, move your pelvis backward. Relax your back. And then lift your pelvis. Bend your knees now. Look forward again between your hands. Jump or 2 steps. Hug your legs. Relax your back, relax your shoulders. Then gently arch. Look up, face up. Gently move down, bend your knees. Inhale. And now again, arch your back. Keep your feet, check your feet together. Connect your hands. And twist to the right. Connect your hands in front. Face up, look up. Good, okay. And now inhale. Open the chest. Arch your back. To your left. Connect your hands in front. Look up, face up. Good. And now again. Inhale, hands up. Arch your back. Connect your hands behind. Extend your elbows, shoulders down. And now fold forward. Relax your back, relax your neck. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Okay, and now Utkatasana. Lift your hands up, open the chest, and hands down. Now from here, jump for 2 steps backward. And then Chaturanga. Again, slide. Open the chest. Look up, face up. Good. Now lift your pelvis. Drop your elbows. Good. And now try to bring your feet closer to your elbows. Head down, closer to your hands. Move your pelvis as high as you can. Then you can bend your knees, lift your feet up. If you can, extend your knees. If you need, use a wall. Strong legs, strong back. Good. And then release. Slowly, gently move down and relax. Shavasana. Close your eyes, relax your face. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Good, okay. And now slowly, gently grow up. Again, if you need, use a block, sit down on the block. Find comfortable position. Then hands up into inhale. Right hand on your back. Gently pull your elbow. Connect your hands behind, take a rest. Relax your face, close your eyes. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Good, okay, and hands up into inhale. Now switch, Left hand on your back, right hand on your elbow, and gently pull. Connect your hands behind. Observe the sounds. Good, okay. And then hands up and inhale. And now exhale. Great, okay, so shift your weight, lift your pelvis up, and we are going to repeat the same vinyasa, almost the same. And plank. Up. And plank. Up. And plank. Lift it up. Left foot. Step forward. Left foot in front. And now first circle with your left hand. Right knee down. And gently arch your back. Open the chest. Look up, face up. Gently move down forward. Step backward. Plank. And chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Keep moving. And plank. Up. Plank. Pelvis up. And plank. Right foot up. Split your legs. And now step forward. Keep your right foot in front. Okay? And then circle with your right hand. Left knee down. And then gently arch. Open the chest. Hands down. And then step backward. Good. Plank. And chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Great. Look forward between your hands and again 2 steps, 1 jump. Relax your back and your neck. Close your eyes, relax your face. Good, okay. Then gently arch. Move down. Take your feet with the part. Again, heels in, toes out. Check your feet. And now slowly move down. Connect your hands. Relax your face, close your eyes. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Great. Now right elbow down. If you need to use a block, place your elbow on the block. Try to grab your left ankle with your right hand and then gently twist. Lift your left hand. Okay, then release and switch. Grab your right ankle with your left hand. Try to keep your left elbow on the floor. And now right hand up. Good, okay, and then release. Connect your hands. Great. Pelvis down, and now from here slowly, gently move on your back. Great, and then hands forward, lift your head, lift your shoulders, then your feet, Ardhanavasana, and then try to lift yourself up gently. Open your chest, Navasana. Great, okay. Cross your legs. Again, if you need, prepare your blocks, hands on the blocks. And now lift your pelvis up. Move your feet backward. Take your time, don't rush. Move your blocks away. And now shift your weight. Pelvis down. Plank. Open the chest. Good. And now gently move down. Connect your hands behind. Extend your elbows. Head up, feet up. If you want, grab your ankles or your feet behind. Okay, and also arch. Good, okay. Then release. Hands under your shoulders. First, move your pelvis backward. Release your back. And then grow up. Great. Bend your knees, look forward, jump or 2 steps again. Hug your legs. Great, and then arch. Move down. Bend your knees, roll up. Hands up, again arch. Now first move to your left. Connect your hands in front. Try to flat your back as much as you can and twist. Grow up. Inhale, open the chest. Arch your back. And move to your right. Connect your hands in front. Face up, look up. Good. And now inhale. Open the chest. Connect your hands behind. Extend your elbows, shoulders down. And now torso down, forward. Relax your back and your neck. Good, okay. And Utkatasana. And release. Okay, so 2 steps backward to 1 jump. Take your time. And Chaturanga. Slide. Open the chest. Look up, face up. Lift your pelvis. And now the same. Elbows down if you need. So move closer to a wall. And bring your head to your hands. Feet closer to your elbows. Okay, be careful with your neck. And then you can bend your knees. If you want, extend your legs. Slowly move down. And relax. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. It's now just cool down, relax. Good, okay. Then slowly, gently grow up. Find comfortable position again. Drop your shoulders. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Spread out your hands and inhale. And now right arm in front, bend your elbow. Then your left arm around. Flat your back, belly up. Relax your face, close your eyes. Good, okay. And now spread out your hands and switch left arm and then your right arm. Shoulders down, relax your face, close your eyes. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Good, okay. And then hands up and inhale. And then hands down, exhale. Okay, shoulders down, again, inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Good. One more time. And inhale. And now exhale. Drop your shoulders, relax your arms, your hands. Cool down. Slow down. Good. And now open your eyes. Thank you. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye-bye.